Hello, we are from 19th group. We will discuss about the operation research problem in Bogor. We know Bogor is the second most traffic city in the world. This resulted in Bogor has a high level of pollution. The government will help a tree planting in Bogor, especially in Ciampea until Laladon. As we know, the area have a frequent traffic jam. It make level of carbon dioxide or CO2 in the air increase. In 2016, CO2 levels in the air amounted to 7,741 tons every year. Therefore, the government will solve this problem by planting trees to absorb CO2. The trees will be planted in the middle of the road. The plant we will plant are Trembesi, Kenanga, and Cassia species. The price, diameter, and CO2 absorption rate and the maintenance costs are shown in the table. The first tree is Trembesi. The seeding price is 150,000 rupiah. The diameter of tree is 2 meters. The CO2 absorption rate is 28,488.39 kilogram per year. The maintenance cost is 50,000 rupiah. The second tree is Kenanga. The seeding price is 40,000 rupiah. The diameter of tree is 0.7 meter. CO2 absorption rate is 720.49 kilogram per year. The maintenance cost is 50,000 rupiah. And the last tree is Cassia species. The seeding price is 65,000 rupiah. Diameter of the tree is 1 meter. CO2 absorption rate is 5,295.47 kilogram per year. And the maintenance cost is 50,000 rupiah. The ideal average distance between the trees is 7 meters. The amount of Trembesi should be less than other trees. The lack of funds becomes a problem for government. So, determine the number of every trees replanted to minimize the cost. The decision variable is the first x1, the amount of Trembesi tree that will be planted. X2 is the amount of Kenanga tree that will be planted. And X3 is the amount of Cassia species tree that will be planted. The objective function is minimal cost should be government spend per year. Mean Z equal 150,000 X1 plus 15,000 X2 plus 65,000 X3 plus 50,000 for all the trees. The first constraint is the absorption rate for year must bigger than the level of CO2 in the air. So we got this function. The second is availability of the land is 6,000 meter. So we got this function. The third constraint is the amount of Trembesi that will be planted should be less than other trees. So we got this function. And the last constraint is the non-negativity constraint. X1, X2, X3 must be more than 0. Now we will solve the function with LINGO 11. The first, we must add the objective function to LINGO. Second, we must add the constraint to LINGO. This is the absorption rate constraint. And this is the Trembesi tree constraint. This is the availability of land constraint. And the last are the non-negativity constraint. Now we just click solve button and we got the result. Now, we will explain the result of lingo. The objective value is as shown in the result. It means the minimum cost that government must spend is 48,630,380 rupiah. The amount of tree for each type are 1. 244 the Trembesi tree, 2. 398 for Kenanga tree, 3. 90 for Cassia species tree. So, the conclusion of this problem is the level of CO2 in air can be solved by planting all the trees with the result that we found by using lingo with the minimal cost.